he's a link between the strategy and the project, and he has to ensure that the strategy is kept in mind while he handles the program or the project. So he has to drive the strategy to the first level or the project managers. Resolving, then the next point is resolving issues and change management within a shared governance structure. Whatever projects fall under him, he is responsible for training those managers and also to be a model program to all other programs within the organizations in terms of forming process, governance structure, uh, building a PMO which can handle or help different project managers, and this can be simulated across different programs within the organization. He has to have governance structures for how to handle changes, because changes, how you handle changes is where your real experience comes out as a manager. So he has to have governance structure and to effectively handle changes. So these are all some of the important roles of a program manager. Projects are authorized as a result of business need, technological advance, strategic opportunity, legal requirement, customer request, environmental consideration, market demand. So when you say business need, there is a this market is there is, so these are different categories wherein a project might come into picture. Okay, a market demand might be anything like there is a requirement you see in the market that there are a lot of people waiting for something, and you find spot out that, and you build something and open it to the open market. A technological advance can be anything like you have been in the industry, you are releasing products every now and then, basically because you think that people should who are using it should have better features. Legal requirement can be anything related to the government saying if you have so and so product, it should be having so and so compliance so that it doesn't affect the society or something like that. So these are some of the categories or reasons why a project can be authorized or project comes into picture. Um, the portfolio, project, there's then there is the project falling into programs, the program falling into portfolios. These are some of I mean, this is the hierarchy between project, portfolio, and program. Um, then the most important concept is project management office. Project management office is responsible for training managers, and it's something like a group of senior management getting together to have their templates or formalizing templates for um, different documents. They think of it as a one place where they are grouping together and deciding on best practice. They are approving some of the project requirements or rejecting based on or weighing different options. They probably meet once in a week or something like that, or whenever required, to decide these things. So project management office ideally is a space allocated in the organization where managers have their artifacts, or they get together. These days, project management office has taken a smaller role in terms of lot more. The people who are part of project management office are assistants to actual managers, because it's more related to maintaining templates and things like that. The project management office is a management structure that standardizes the project related governance process and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools and technique, best practices. So that's the role of project management office. When there is a new manager coming into the organization, instead of he going blank thinking what to do, he wants to create a project charter or a project management plan, he can directly contact the project management office to get in touch with other managers in the organization, to introduce himself, to become part of this particular group, so that he can get help both in terms of project management as well as the organization process, and it gives him some sort of hand holding. So that's where the project management office comes into picture. The PMO is a senior management group, usually taking the role of change control board. Yeah, PMO, although in current days it has been reduced a bit, the role of PMO is, the idea of PMO is to have a group of senior managers who can play a better role in weighing in different options and coming out with the best decision. That's about project management office, and there are different